Residents of Dandwa, a farming community in Nkoranza South Municipality of the Bono East Region, are appealing to authorities to help revamp an abandoned waterfall in the area. According to the residents, even though the waterfall, discovered years ago, has the potential of generating revenue and projecting the community to the outside world, it has been abandoned.
I say, Yatuna Jemu, into Omra no Meboy, Nemfa for some teaching a young youth, Ohano. Sabana and Fasoba, yes, you in a biddy hubi, and in Kanko, Ebebre, a macron of Bowo Cocrum, Swat.
Located on the main Nkoranza Ejira Road, and just 6 kilometers from Nkoranza, the waterfall has not seen any major development since its discovery. A visit to the waterfall by Ghana Web revealed a very sad spectacle, as the place has been taken over by bushes.
I am more mine, and more Ghana mine cos, and more grana mines and coso. And to say, percent of grana mine coso, Bunto Bank grana, and then Potemudia. Yaka, toys are thousand old grana Potemosia. Waterfalls, you don't know waterfalls you so can't, a Gidisan cap, a bind, and then the penny for the many no more boya, Cabama or minus so, a tumponama, crooked way is to cry, whom is to crown, and young Puntu agree.
The 1 kilometer road leading to the quiet and serene venue is in a very bad shape, a situation that deters potential tourists from patronizing the area. Independent checks by a reporter revealed that the place was handed over to one Madame Trini Rose some 6 years ago under a supposed public-private partnership agreement, but it did not see the needed facelift. Apart from 4 summer huts visibly abandoned in the bush and left at the mercy of the weather and the sound of the waterfall, there is nothing to show that the place is a deserving holiday destination. The Imran Tehini of Dandwa, Nana Kwame Bafo, appealed to the government to prioritize the waterfall.
Marantia ne meba omo ha no ombenya adwuma yere aye ebe ma foforo so aba ha ama samire so kura nsa aka sika no bi na enya bi so aye mpuntunduma ti misra bare se onye yemwa na omo animra ha na omo meboaye.
The Bono East and a half original director of the Ghana Tourism Authority, Joseph Epiej, in an interview disclosed that the leasing of the Dandwa waterfall to a private investor by the traditional authorities in the area some years ago made it difficult for his outfit to do anything about the place. He, however, assured that with the passage of the legislative instrument that gives them control over all the attraction sites in the country, they will engage the traditional authorities and see how to give the place the needed facelift. The Nkoranza South Municipal Chief Executive Officer, Diana Atta Kusiwa, also assured that the Assembly is making arrangements to turn the place into a befitting holiday destination in order to generate the needed revenue for the country.
This is the Dandwa waterfalls in the Nkoranza municipality of the Bono East Region. As you can see, the waterfall is a beautiful spectacle to watch. But the unfortunate aspect is that the area has been abandoned. Residents in the community tell me the waterfalls was handed over to one Madame Rose by the Nkoranza Assembly to be managed. But as you can see, the area is not something befitting of a tourist site. For the residents, if the area is well developed, it will create a lot of job opportunities and bring tourists to the area. It remains a wonder as to what the Nkoranza Assembly is doing as far as the Dandwa waterfalls is concerned. Reporting from Dandwa, in the Nkransa municipality. I am Abuajado Frank for Ghana Web TV.